Good morning, student. Here we are going to discuss our chapter number 4, question answer and book exercise. Okay, your chapter number 4 is advanced feature in Excel. Means Excel के अंदर कौन कौन से advanced feature हैं जो हमने इस chapter number 4 में discuss किए हैं. Right? Now we have to complete our copy and book work also. Let's start. First of all, here is given your book answers. First one is given, which is on page number 49. Which of these groups hold the sort option of Excel? आपका sort option जो Excel का है वो कौन से group में available है? It is given in sort and filter group. Okay, so answer will be B. Which of these tabs holds the goal seek option in Excel? And goal seek option आपके किस tab में present है? It is given in data tab. Which tab? It is data tab. So answer will be C over here. Which of these is used to restrict unwanted cell entries? कौन सी ऐसी चीज जो आपकी सेल्स के अंदर आपकी एंट्री को रेस्ट्रिक्ट करती है, मीन्स उसको रोकती है. कोई भी गलत इंफॉर्मेशन अगर उसके अंदर स्टोर हो रही है, वो उसके मतलब आपकी जो रिक्वायरमेंट है उसके फुलफिल नहीं कर रही है, तो कौन सी ऐसी कंडीशन है जो आपको उस पर बाउंड करती है? दिस इज डेटा वैलिडेशन. सो आंसर विल बी C. Which keys do you use to group consecutive worksheets? This is Control and Shift key both. A and B answers is given. Because Control key से भी हम उसको group को consecutive करते हैं and Shift key से भी. So both answers will be correct. Which option is used to view data in particular order? This is called sorting. Answer will be A. Okay. Next is your fill-ups. First is given here, dash is used to hide unwanted data. Filtering. Filtering में क्या होता है बेटा कि जो भी आपका unwanted data उसको वो hide कर देता है. Okay. Next is in the advanced filter dialog box. The dash defines a range of cells on which you apply filter. आप कहाँ पे उसमें filter apply करेंगे? It is list range. The dash feature of Excel allow you to work on multiple worksheet at the same time. This is grouping. हम एक बार में अगर ग्रुप बना देते हैं सारी वर्कशीट का, तो हम एक बार में सारी वर्कशीट पर वर्क कर सकते हैं. मीन्स उनके अंदर भी डेटा की एंट्री को एडिट कर सकते हैं. राइट. नेक्स्ट इज द डैश फीचर ऑफ एक्सेल हेल्प्स इन अचीविंग अ टारगेट वैल्यू. हमें टारगेट वैल्यू को अचीव करने के लिए कौन सा ऑप्शन होता है? फीचर होता है गोल सीक फीचर. The green square that appears at the bottom right corner of a selected cell is called autofill option. This is autofill. True false is now start. First is sorting is applied to hide unwanted data temporarily. It is false. It is false because वो temporary data hide करने के लिए sorting नहीं होता है, वो filtering होता है. So answer will be false. You cannot remove a filter from a worksheet after applying it. No. We can also remove a filter. Answer, it is also false. A criteria range is a range of cells that contains criteria. It is true. Answer is true. Yes, criteria range क्या होती है आपकी? जो contain कर रही है criteria को. Next is goal seek is used for styling a data. No. Goal seek is used for achieving the goal. Achieving the goal, okay, or target value. Next is the autofill features allows you to fill the data horizontally or vertically in cell. It is true. Autofill में यही होता है कि वो horizontally और vertically data को fill करता है. Next is matching. We are going to start. Sort and filter group is present in your data tab. Answer is A. Forecast group means what if analysis. In forecast group we got for what if analysis. Answer will be E here. Next is बेटा ये आपका बुक में misprint है, जो last option will be E. Okay, correct this. Next is data tools tab is given in flash fill. Answer will be B. Control key is to group worksheet. कंट्रोल की को या शिफ्ट की को हम यूज करते हैं वर्कशीट को ग्रुप करने के लिए. आंसर विल बी सी. फ्लैश फिल इज यूज फॉर फ्लैशेस ऑन रिपीटेड एंट्री. कि आपकी जो रिपीटेड एंट्री है उनको वो रिमूव कर दे, ओके, फ्लैश कर दें. So here your book exercise is also completed. Now we are going to start our short question answers. First is, what is sorting? Sorting means arranging the data in an ascending order or a descending order. What is filtering? Filtering means displaying the data that meets certain condition. जो आपका किसी condition पे meet हो रहा हो, means मिल रहा हो. It is a quick way to find and work on a specific set of data in a range of cells. So this is filtering. Describe the autofill. Autofill is used to fill the cells with the data to follow the particular format. किसी format को follow करने के बाद वो क्या करता है, cells को fill करता है. How you group multiple worksheet. आप किसी multiple worksheet को कैसे group करोगे? Press and hold down the control key. आपको क्या करना होगा, control key को press करना पड़ेगा और hold करना पड़ेगा. And click on sheets app you want to group, जिसको भी आप group करना चाह रहे हो. How you remove filter from records. आप remove कैसे करोगे filter को? To remove filter, click on the clear button in the sort and filter group of the data tab or click on the filter option. आपको किस पे click करना होगा? Filter option पर. So here your filter will be removed. Next we are going to start our long question answer also. Distinguish between sorting and filtering. Sorting means arranging the data in an ascending order or descending order, whereas filtering means displaying the data that meets certain condition. Okay, this is the basic difference between sorting and filtering. Next question we have, describe the role of advanced filter. Advanced filter allows you to work that meets to a more complex criteria. आप क्या करते हो advanced filter के अंदर? कुछ criteria को write करते हो उसके अंदर, उसको apply करते हो. Suppose, for example, you want to view the records of students scoring marks in mathematics is greater than 70, जिसके greater than 70 and total उसका है 280 से ज़्यादा. In such situation you can apply advanced filter. आप उस situation में क्या करोगे? Advanced filter को apply करोगे. Okay? So now our third question is here. What is goal seek? The goal seek feature of Excel helps in fixing data in one cell by changing data in another cell. Okay? On the basis of what if analysis. किसकी basis पे? What if analysis basis पे. What if analysis is the process of changing the value in cells to see how those changes will affect the outcome of formulas on the worksheet. Means आप किसी सेल के अंदर कोई चेंज करते हो और जहाँ आपको अपना सेल का रिजल्ट चाहिए, मीन्स रिजल्ट चाहिए टेबल का, वहाँ पे वो चेंजेस अफेक्ट होंगे. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड गोल सी. What is data validation? Data validation is used to apply restrict on the data entries in cells. Means वो restrict करता है जो entries आप उसमें enter कर रहे हो उन पर restrictions apply करता है. It helps you control the type of data to be entered in your worksheet. This is called data validation. Okay. Next is, what is the basic use of autofill and flash fill? Autofill और flash fill का क्या use है? Autofill feature is used to fill cells with the data that follow a particular format, right? And flash fill feature recognize the pattern. वो pattern को recognize करता है on type content, जो भी आपने content को type किया है, and flashes in the new cells automatically. उसको as it is उठा के flashes कर देता है, means उसको as it is copy कर देता है जहाँ पर आपका new cell है. When you repeat your entry, the flash fill feature makes data entry easy. Okay, the long question answer also completed over here. Now brain teasers. These are complete the following table. आपको complete करनी है कि इनके tabs बताने हैं और group बताने हैं. These all are present in tab group. Tab, which tab? Data tab, sort filter, flash fill and data validation. And the group name is here sort and filter, again sort and filter, and data tools and data tools. Okay, you have to learn these things and don't learn, you have to understand. If you will repeat these practical work more and more, you will already learn. Okay, next is brain teasers. Solve the following crossword with the help of clues. It is an action performed to combine two or more worksheets. What is the option? This is grouping. It is used when what if analysis is required, that is goal seek. It is a drop down arrow that appears next to a column name, that is filter. ड्रॉप डाउन एरो से जो अपीयर होता है नेक्स्ट टू कॉलम नेम, उसी कॉलम नेम पर पहुंच जाता है. इट इज यूज्ड टू फिल सेल्स हॉरिजॉन्टली और वर्टिकली. ऑटोफिल ऑफ पिक्चर. So here your book work and copy work also completed. Complete these works as soon as possible and revise your syllabus also. Thank you.